Hey guys, it's Goosebumps here, and today it's Saturday afternoon. I'm still in my PJs, but today I'm going to do another Rubik's Cube video. If you haven't seen Are You Tired of Not Solving the Rubik's Cube, just go check that video out. But today I'm going to show you what I did with my Legos. So what I did is I had super glue to do my Rubik's Cube. So yeah, I'm gonna mix this up. So this way, guys. When I mixed it up, when I completely have the white mixed up, I'm just gonna do the white. So bye. So I'm back and let's get started. So. You don't have to do it in the same exact order. I'm just doing it. You don't have to use Lego bricks. That's all. Boom! I just did the white. Yeah. So the items that you need are super glue, Lego bricks, 3x3 or 2x2, whatever. Those are the two I recommend because it's easier. I'll do it when I get 2x2. So bye guys, until next time. And I just did a video this morning about the puppy. It's a Charlotte puppy whatever. You can just go and look at her piece. I just uploaded today. So bye guys, see you next time and peace out. And the same thing I told you one Fun Puppies video, the first one. Josh is giving you a chance to watch his channel. So bye.